Hello friends, myself Pratik, visiting professor Lambda Lab, Tel Aviv University, Israel, professor Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Thapar University, Patiala, India. Since explainable AI is a new area and lot of people have confusion in understanding its role and application in modern world. The best way to understand the role of explainable AI is through interactive demos. In this session, we are going to see the interactive demos of explainable AI to understand its various applications in the area of machine learning and AI. Let us start this session. Let us visit this page, that is heatmapping.org. This web page is maintained by Fraunhofer, HHI and TU Berlin Institute. The aim of this web page is to regroup publications and software produced by this group, and under this web page they have provided a link for interactive LRP demos. These interactive demos are very useful to understand the power of explainable AI. These demos are based on layer-wise relevance propagation technique. Let us invoke these interactive LRP demos. For this, we need to click on this image. It has opened a new page with name Explainable AI Demos. Here we are in MNIST digit dataset. Here we can draw any digit. You can see the predictions by this model. Digit classified as 3 with classification score as 21.62. This model is generating a heat map to indicate the important pixel areas which are responsible to classifying this object as 3. It is also indicating those pixel areas which are speaking against that classification. Let's draw some more digits. The classified digit is 7. This is the heat map for the selected class. This way you can try various digits. The model is generating real-time heat maps for the input digit. So this demonstration is for handwriting classifications. This explainable AI demo page also has a demonstration for image classification. Let us click on this link. Here we have to select an image for its classification. So let's select this image. So you can see the image is classified as hen, and this is the corresponding heat map for the selected image. This heat map is generated with LRP. You can see that it is highlighting those pixel areas which are responsible to classify this image as hen. This way we can easily generate the explanations for our AI model. Let us select this image. The selected image is a goldfish, and these are the corresponding heat map for this selected image. You can also see that LRP is also highlighting the area of image in blue color that is speaking against this particular class, or the area of the image which is not relevant for its classification as goldfish. This clearly indicating that our classifier is looking at right kind of features to classify this image as goldfish. Let's try for this. Here the image is classified as motor scooter, and these are the heat map for this, and the highlighted pixel areas indicated the reasons for classifying these objects as motor scooter. So this way you can generate heat map for any selected image, and internally they have applied LRP model to generate explanations for this image classifier. The third is text classification. Let us click on this particular link for generating explanations for text classification. Here we can load any random document to generate its classification. This is the input document for which we want to generate its classification based on the text present in the document. Let's press this button, classify. The selected document is classified under computer, OS, Windows, miscellaneous class, and you can see the reasons for this. These are the important keywords which are responsible for classification of this document under this class. Let's load any other random document. Let's generate classification for this. The selected document is classified as X Windows System, and the reason for this is these highlighted items. Due to these highlighted text item, the document is classified as Computers X Windows System. Let's try some more documents. Let's generate classification for this. It is again X Windows System. Let's generate classification for this. This is based on talk, religion and miscellaneous. The reasons for this is highlighted text. So you can see it has Christianity in this. This document is classified as computer system, IBM PC and hardware. And these are the important keywords which are responsible for classifying this document under this category. And you can see that these type of explanations are very useful to understand that why our model is making a particular kind of decision. The fourth demonstration in this is on visual question answering. This is very interesting application of explainable AI. Let's click on this. So here they have provided multiple images. We can select any image and we can frame a question based on that particular selected image. Here I have selected this image and I can input any question in this text box based on that particular image. So my question is, which object is in the image? In order to process this question, I just need to press enter. The AI answer for this question is dog, and this is the corresponding heat map which is generated for this particular image. My second question is, how many dogs are in this image? And you can see that AI is answering that it is 1, and this is the corresponding heat map to answer this question. Let us choose this picture, and my question for the selected image is, do we have water in this image? The AI answer is yes, and you can see its corresponding heat map. Do we have trees in this image? Again the answer is yes, and this is the heat map for identification of trees. The next question is, do we have dog in this image? The answer is no, and this is the heat map for this, and you can see that the model is not able to identify any dog. That's why the AI answer is no. So how many persons are in this image? Answer is 1. Next question is, what is he doing? So answer is playing soccer. It's wonderful. So question is, which game is he playing? Answer is tennis. How many players are in the field? Answer is 3. And this is the corresponding heat map. You can see that our explainable AI model is focusing on these 3 players. That's why the answer is 3. And these are various explainable AI demos which are available at heatmapping.org. I hope that this demonstration has created curiosity in you to understand how explainable AI is making this possible. To train you on explainable AI, this online course has been created. This course has been divided into 12 sections. It has 54 lectures and 7.5 hours of on-demand video. This course has 8 articles, and it also has assignments and quizzes for each section. We have sections like Introduction to Explainable AI. Then second section is on demonstration of by design interpretable model. The third section is on LIME, that is one of the most important technique for explainable AI. The fourth section is on SHAP. This is another explainable AI technique to generate global explanations. We have a section on counterfactual explanations. Google What If tool is very important tool for AI fairness and generating counterfactuals. The demonstration of this tool has been provided through various case studies. Next section is on layer-wise relevance propagation, which is used to generate explanations for image data. Then we have a section on contrastive explanation method. And in the end, we have also provided useful resources for explainable AI. This course has been created in a very simplified way, and it does not have any prerequisite requirement because everything has been discussed from scratch in a very simplified way. All the concept has been explained through various demonstration. The code and data used in these demonstration are provided in this course for your practice. I hope that you will enjoy this course. Please join this course to start your learning on explainable AI with Python. Thanks for watching this video.